Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. We all know that staying properly hydrated and fueled is key to maximizing performance and avoiding that dreaded bonking feeling. But constantly buying commercial electrolyte drinks can really add up in terms of cost. So why not try making your own homemade electrolyte drinks? It's easier than you think. When creating your own electrolyte drink, start with a base of coconut water. It's a hydrating fluid that naturally contains essential electrolytes like potassium and sodium. To achieve a sodium concentration similar to popular sports drinks, add around 1/5 to 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt per liter of your homemade electrolyte water. However, if you want to get precise with your homemade sports drink, consider purchasing individual electrolyte powders like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, so you can replicate the ratios found in commercial drinks. Now, let's dive into some tasty recipes for homemade electrolyte drinks. Recipe number 1: Homemade coconut water electrolyte drink. Coconut water is an excellent base for electrolyte drinks because it naturally contains potassium and sodium. You can use straight coconut water or dilute it with water based on your taste and calorie preferences. If you're using non-diluted coconut water, add a pinch of salt per liter. For a low sugar option, skip the additional carbohydrates. But if you prefer a sweetened sports drink, mix 3 cups of coconut water, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for a delicious piña colada sports drink. Recipe number 2: Sugar-free electrolyte drink. Creating a sugar-free electrolyte drink can be challenging while maintaining a pleasant taste. You can use non-caloric sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit sweetener. Additionally, flavorings such as stir water drops, unsweetened Kool-Aid powder, or herbal teas can enhance the taste. For a basic sugar-free recipe, combine 4 cups of plain water, half a cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and any optional flavorings or sweeteners of your choice. Recipe number 3: DIY electrolyte drink with pickle juice. Believe it or not, pickle juice is a popular alternative for those who want an unsweetened electrolyte drink without artificial colors or dyes. You can drink it straight or add 1 tablespoon of honey per cup to create an approximately 8% solution. Recipe number 4: Mint ginger green tea energy drink. For an energizing twist, you can incorporate caffeinated teas like green or black tea into your homemade electrolyte drinks. Caffeine has been shown to enhance endurance exercise performance. Steep 3 to 4 tea bags in 3 cups of cold water, add fresh lemon slices, mint sprigs, honey, ginger, and let it steep overnight. Adjust the number of tea bags based on your desired caffeine content. To transform it into an electrolyte drink, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt or an electrolyte tablet. Recipe number 5: Banana peel electrolyte water. If you're not a fan of coconut or have an allergy, here's an alternative electrolyte water recipe. Start by steeping 2 whole bananas in boiling water for 20 minutes. You can add cinnamon, lemon juice, and honey for added flavor. Once cooled, remove the bananas and chill the tea before consuming. The banana peel and fruit contain essential electrolytes like magnesium and potassium. Making your own electrolyte drinks is not only convenient but also a cost-effective way to stay hydrated during workouts and training. It's especially useful when you're recovering from illness or want to avoid the added fillers, artificial flavors, and dyes found in commercial sports drinks. So, get creative, experiment with different flavors, and enjoy the benefits of homemade electrolyte drinks. Stay hydrated and keep pushing your limits. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.